5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Good morning. Are you hanging out with your friends?
How are you?
How do you sleep?
We just finished cleaning up this little area, our new little play mat / play area. You don't like your play mat? Right? Now you can crawl around on it. You don't like it? We want to get off? Okay.
Swing down.
You're doing foot wrap thing?
Alright, in this book, I got it for Christmas, but there's a very important piece that I want to leave you with. And I'm going to read it quickly. Chapter 1 says, we're in a storeroom, lined with unused books and boxes full of artifacts. Unlike the rest of the ashram, which is always tidy and well swept, this place is dusty and draped in cobwebs. The senior monk leads me up to a mirror and says, what can you see? Through the thick layer of dust, I can't see my reflection. I say as much, and the monk nods. Then he wipes the arm of his robe across the glass. A cloud of dust puffs into my face, stinging my eyes and filling my throat. He says, your identity is a mirror covered with dust. When you first look in the mirror, the truth of who you are and what you value is obscured. Clearing it may not be pleasant, but only when that dust is gone can you see your true reflection. And that is what I'm going to leave you with today to think about. Are you ready for 2021? Yeah. Boo, ba-doo, do. Boom, ba-doo, do. You want to get rocked to sleep?
Are you silly?
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Are you being silly? Yeah. Yeah, you think so?
Ready? 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Yeah. Yeah.